everyone, so today's video is going to be my review on the HEIMISH Rose line, and this was sent to me through Style Korean. I was lucky enough to be picked to review this line, and I received 3 products: the facial mist, eye patches, and also the face cream. I've been testing these products out for quite a while now and have definitely formed some pretty good opinions on these, so let's just hop right into the reviews. So the first product I'm going to be reviewing is the Bulgarian Rosestatin cream. This moisturizer claims to help with brightening, anti-wrinkle, moisturizing, priming, and also removing dead skin cells while still feeling lightweight on the skin. I actually didn't use this primer too often during the daytime just because it did have a heavier consistency, and I think that moisturizers with heavier consistencies tend to work better during the nighttime. I really did love this moisturizer because one, the satin finish made my skin look super blurred out and almost flawless. Since I do have oily to combination type skin, this cream helped to not only moisturize my face but also make me not look greasy, which a lot of moisturizers tend to do. I definitely could see an improvement within my skin complexion. It felt a lot softer and the texture wasn't as noticeable anymore. This has quickly become one of my favorite moisturizers, and I definitely would repurchase it. This next product is the Bulgarian Rose Mist Serum, which claims to be an ultra hydrating moisturizing mist. I did find the nozzle to be really nice, and overall the mist sprayed on really finely. Although it did feel really nice and refreshing and did hydrate it a little, it was not anything that different from any other mist that I've tried. I was honestly kind of disappointed and wish it did a little bit more for me, but sadly it did not, so I wouldn't be repurchasing it or recommending it. But then again, people have different experiences with products, so just take my opinions with a grain of salt. So this final product is the Hydrogel eye patch, and this has got to be another one of my new favorite products. So these claim to help with anti-wrinkle care as well as brightening up your under eye circles. Before trying these, I thought that eye patches were pretty gimmicky and didn't do much, but after trying them out, I was definitely proven wrong. The texture of these is kind of like a jelly, like gelatinous type of feel, and you just place them on your eyes for about 20 to 30 minutes. Since I do have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, it helped to smooth it out and just make them look really soft. So they grip onto your skin pretty well, so you can move around freely without having to worry about them sliding off. As for the brightening effect, it didn't really last for that long. It did kind of help, but it didn't like completely get rid of my under eye darkness. Overall, I love how this helped with my under eyes, and after using it for a few weeks, I can say that I have seen an improvement. You guys are probably wondering which ones I would truly recommend. I definitely have to say the satin cream as well as the Hydrogel eye patches with the satin moisturizer texture. I've never seen a moisturizer really help to smooth out my skin like that. Also, it didn't feel super heavy, but it's still moisturized, and it didn't make me look greasy either. As for the eye patches, they just made my under eyes look a lot better and smoother in texture. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That is all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
환히 비춘 저 별들을 보면 너를 보는 것만 같지